Welcome students, good morning. Today we are going to study about exercise 3.2. First one, given that x greater or equal to y, fill in the blanks with a suitable inequality sign. Y box x. The answer is y less than or equal to x. X plus 6 box y plus 6. The answer is x plus 6 greater or equal to y plus 6. X square box xy. The answer is x square greater or equal to xy. Minus xy box minus y square. Minus xy less than or equal to minus y square. X minus y box 0. The answer is x minus y greater or equal to 0. Second one, say true or false. Linear equation has almost one solution. The answer is false. Second one, when x is an integer, the solution set for x less than or equal to 0 or minus 1, minus 2, etc. The answer is false. And indication minus 3 less than x less than minus 1, where x is an integer, cannot be represented in the number line. The answer is true. X less than minus y can be rewritten as minus y less than x. The answer is false. Next one, solve the following indication. X less than or equal to 7, where x is a natural number. Natural numbers means the counting numbers 1, 2, 3, etc. are called the natural number. Here x less than or equal to 7. X less than 7 or equal to 7. Therefore x equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Second question, x minus 6 less than 1, where x is a natural number. Is how to that one? We are adding 6 on both sides. So x minus 6 plus 6 less than 1 plus 6. So 6 get cancelled, x less than 7. Is below 7 only. What are the numbers are there? X equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now we are going to see the next one. Which one? Third question, 2a plus 3 less than or equal to 13, where a is a whole number. Whole number means 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. are called whole number. First what do you do? That is subtract 3 on both sides. 2a plus 3 minus 3 less than or equal to 13 minus 3. This is 3 get cancelled. 2a less than or equal to 10. A less than or equal to 10 by 2 equal to 5. So a less than or equal to 5. Is a less than 5 means below 5 or equal to 5. Is therefore the answer is a is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Can you understand all of you? Now we are going to see the next one. 6x minus 7 greater or equal to 35, where x is an integer. Integers mean positive and negative numbers along with 0. That is the first one. 6x minus 7 greater or equal to 35 is adding 7 on both sides. How to add that 7 on both sides? 6x minus 7 plus 7 greater or equal to 35 plus 7. So 7 get cancelled. 6x greater or equal to 42. X greater or equal to 42 divided by 6 equal to what? 7. Therefore x greater or equal to 7. X greater or equal to 7 means that is above 7. Is equal to 7 or above 7. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, etc. Can you understand all of you? Yes. Now we are going to see the next one. 4x minus 9 greater than minus 33, where x is a negative integer. Negative integer means the minus only. Is the first one we are going to see adding 9 on both sides. 4x minus 9 plus 9 greater than minus 33 plus 9. Is a 9 get cancelled. 4x greater than, so minus 33 means minus 24. X greater than minus 24 divided by 4. So x greater than minus 6. X greater than minus 6 means what are the numbers are there? X equal to minus 5, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2 and minus 1. Can you understand all of you? Yes. Now we are going to see the next one. Next one, what is that? Solve the following indication or represent the solution on the number line. K greater than minus 5, K is an integer. Greater than minus 5 means is a above numbers, that is a k equal to minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, etc. That is, you have to put a points on minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, etc. Next day, minus 7 less than or equal to y is a negative integer. Minus 7 less than or equal to y is a negative integer means y equal to minus 7, minus 6, minus 5, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1. You have to put a points on that one. Next one, minus 4 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 8. X is a natural number. We know that the natural numbers, the counting numbers 1, 2, 3, etc. are called the natural numbers. Here in between minus 4 and 8. Here what are the numbers? That is, x is a natural number. Therefore, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. We have to put a point on here. Here how to write that one? Put a point on here minus 1, minus 0, 0, not minus 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have to put a point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Can you understand? Put a point on that one. Next one, we are going to see the next one. 3m minus 5 less than or equal to 2m plus 1. M is an integer. That is, first one, subtracting 2m on both sides. M minus 5 less than or equal to 1. Then add 5 on both sides. That is, m less than or equal to 6 means minus 4 minus 3 is an integer. Is a positive and a negative numbers. Is etc. minus 4. We have to write that one, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next one, we are going to see this 3.2 continuation. An artist can spend any amount between rupees 82 and rupees 200 on brushes. If cost of each brush is rupees 5 and there are 6 brushes in each packet, then how many packets of brush can the artist buy? Amount between rupees 80 to 200. Cost of one brush equal to rupees 5. Cost of 6 packet of brush equal to rupees 5 into 6 rupees 30. Cost of x packets of brushes is equal to 30x. 1 packet 30, 2 packets 2 into 30 60, 3 packets 3 into 30 rupees 90 and 4 packets 4 into 30 rupees 120, 5 packets 5 into 30 rupees 150, 6 packets 6 into 30 rupees 180, 7 packets is equal to 7 into 30 into rupees 210. The amount between 80 and 200, that is 80 and 200 mean what are the values of the 90 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 180, that is divided by what? 30. This is 90 divided by 30. So here 30x. Okay, wow, 30x less than or equal to 30x divided by 30 less than or equal to 180 less than or divided by 30 is 90 is a 3. So 30 get cancelled is a 36. That is the answer is 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 6. Okay, therefore the artist can find 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 6 packets of brushes or x equal to 3, 4, 5 and 6 packets of brushes. Next, objective type questions. The solution set of the in equation 3 less than or equal to p less than or equal to 6, where p is the natural numbers. P is the natural numbers mean what? Next one, the solution of the inequation 5x plus 5 less than or equal to 15, or where x is a natural number. That is the answer is what? 1 and 2. Next one, the cost of one pen is rupees 8 and it is available in a sealed pack of 10 pens each. Sweta has only rupees 500. How many packets of pens can she buy at the maximum? The answer is 6. Next, the indication that is represented on the number line as shown below, that is the point and minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. So, how to add that one? The answer is minus 4 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 2. Next, we are going to see the miscellaneous practice problem. Using identity, find the value of 4.9 the whole square. 4.9 the whole square can be written as 5.0 minus 0.1 the whole square. By using the identity a minus b the whole square is equal to